Russ there, RVerTV. How you doing today? It is Monday, getting around 5 o'clock, April 15th. I was up in Havasu most of the day, just got back. It's tax day, got all that done, thank goodness. Good old, my uncle needed some money. Unreal. Anyway, I need to get some fuel. Look at that, $3.15 a gallon. Fuel has just skyrocketed. I should have got it up in Parker. It was a lot cheaper up there. They had it for less than $3. Well, let's run down to the Arco at the other end of town. Do a quick drive through town too. Crossing over Interstate 10. A big wind event is coming in. It's supposed to be a big storm front moving through. I believe starting tonight or tomorrow. And they're calling for some really high winds, dropping temperatures, and then it's going to shoot way up in the 90s and good old desert weather. You can see the skies. It's kind of cloudy, overcast, very warm. It's not cool by any means. I ran my air conditioner in the van, pretty much going all the way up to Havasu and back. Okay, quick run through town. I need to figure out something for dinner too. All right, Pilot, what do we got? God, $3.15. My goodness. I should have filled up earlier. Yeah, we'll keep on going. And I'm really looking forward to getting on the road. Probably middle of next week. I'm out of here. I'm going to be working on the van. A little bit this week. I want to do some camera work. I don't know if you watched the live stream I did the other night about setting up cameras for live streaming. Gonna mess with that a little bit next few days. So on YouTube here, you just might see me pop on, and you don't know where I'll be. Be around here, but probably have to wait after this big windstorm comes through. But definitely gonna be messing around with cameras, getting the van finalized. It's pretty much done. And also when I was up in Havasu, I stopped at Home Depot and picked up some ducking for that air conditioner. So we'll see how that works out too. I'll get that mounted. So just a lot of odds and ends this week, and then finalize getting the motorhome ready for storage, and then right after Easter gonna get it on the road. Okay, crossing over Tyson Wash here, which is empty. It hadn't rained in a while. We haven't seen any measurable rain in quite a while. Getting very dry. When the winds blow too, it's a big old dust storm. Alright, we're approaching Central Avenue, Main and Central. It's hard to believe it's already almost Easter, middle of April, 4th month. My goodness. This year is screaming past. I don't know about you guys, sure is for me. Okay, we'll check the Chevron on the left, see what we got. Hey, $2.94. I'm still gonna run down here and check Arco real quick, but we'll see. Pretty bad when you think $2.94 is a good price. Unreal. Yeah, that's gonna shorten up the trip this summer a little bit if that fuel keeps going up there. I don't know what's going on, why it jumps so quick. I guess just because it's summertime. I haven't heard. Those big empty lots on the right, they lease them to RV dealers, but you know, they've been for sale for years. A lot of this property just doesn't sell. You'd think it would. Really good location right here on the main drag. Okay, we're getting up here to Wriggles with a R. We'll make a left. I'll guarantee you that chevron straight across, they're up there. Can't really see the sign. Yeah, they're over 315. No way. Okay, away we go. Let's see what Arco has. They usually got the best price here. Tons of truckers come back in here too. Yep. $295. We'll just get it here. Good enough. Alright, let me swing around here. Go in and give these guys my life savings for half a tank of fuel. Alright, I shall return. Yeah, that guy at the counter said they're going to raise their price here probably by tomorrow, a few cents. This summertime. Alright, let's take a trip around the backside and we'll head down to the store, pick up some food. Yeah, see those lots there on the right? Those have been for sale since I've been coming here. This was a huge development that never went anywhere. The economy really stalled, and that's years ago. A lot of those houses in there. It's a shame too, it's beautiful property, and also at night you got a view of the town lights from up here. You're actually elevated a little bit. I need to come out here and shoot that one night, some video. Show you the lights. Maybe with a drone, huh? And off to the right, that's part of that Arizona Peace Trail, ATV. Well, check that out too. This fall, I'm gonna do a lot of that. Okay, there's the old Arizona Sun. They shut down. They're all shut down. That's where I stayed last winter. For what, 4 months I was there. There's the big old water towers. Don't forget about the 1,000-year-old tree behind the water towers here. Gotta get a selfie with a 1,000-year-old tree. Too funny. Alright, gonna make a left up here on Plymouth. Yeah, you can see more clouds coming in from the west there. We're pointed straight at the west. Alright, we'll run down and we'll stop at that coyote place, that coyote market thing. Look how all the roads, they really crack from the heat. They repair them. These aren't that old. This will get so blessed hot here. There's QPD, Quartzsite Police on the left. Good group of guys. Chief Ponce and the crew. They work real hard. Keep this place safe. Good friends. Alrighty, we're almost up back down here to Main Street. Quartzsite's not that big. You just kind of zip around. We'll make a right up here. Those storage units, they've been there a long time too. Alrighty, right up here on the right is that Coyote. Can never figure out the name Coyote. Oh well. The other one's Roadrunner, and someone said Coyote eats a Roadrunner or chases it. Hey, my hat's off to them. You know, they reopened this. This used to be called the General Store. All right, let me run in, figure out something, be back. And I ain't telling you what I bought. Wasn't much. I'm so tired of my own cooking, I just got some lunch meat. You ever do that? Just get tired of eating your own stuff all the time? Your own cooking? Plus you gotta do all the dishes. It's a lazy Monday. But I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Had to get some fuel, get some food, make a video. It'll be good to get on the road. I know I said it earlier, but I'm really looking forward to it. Especially in the van. It's going to be a fun little adventure. Go do some back road traveling. Alright, we'll make a left on Central. Look how empty the streets are. Occasional car. Boy, they had a lot of road construction going up towards Havasu. That was a slow, long trip today. A lot of one-lane traffic there on 95. Look at them clouds formation. Isn't that cool looking? That'd make great time lapse. Okay, we're going to cross back over. This is Central Avenue. We've got to go back across Interstate 10. Couple ATVs going through there. Then off to the right, there's Tyson Wells. Alright, getting near the end of the line. I'm about the only one left down here. Just me and there's 4 or 5 vendors still hanging. They're tearing down. Oh, I'll fly the drone. I'll show you what that grocery store tent. They're tearing it down. Show you what that looks like. There's a motorhome on the left. Alright, I can get parked. Hey, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.